Welcome. In front of me I have AMAZFIT T-Rex 3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First we need to turn on our watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the back button. Once you see the AMAZFIT logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up. In the meantime, we can download and install the Zepp application on the phone we want to pair our watch with. So go to your phone, check if you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store, tap on search, tap on the search bar, type in Zepp with 2 P's at the end, and tap on search. And you should see this application, Zepp. Tap on install button to download and install it, and now we can continue on our watch. So on the watch you will see the list of languages. You can scroll through it, find the language you would like to use, and tap on it. And as you can see, it tells us to download the Zepp application. We can confirm by pressing the upper button, and now you will see the QR code, which means we need to go to our phone, and if the application is done installing, you can tap on open. In the app, we need to log in into AMAZFIT account. If you don't have one, you can always make a new one by tapping on sign up. I already have one, so I'm gonna tap on login, enter the email address and password. And after you log in, you probably will see the home page. Now we can tap on device, watch, tap on got it, allow the required permissions, like this, and the app will open the camera app. Basically, we need to scan the QR code from our watch, so point the phone's camera on the watch. Once it scans the QR code, you will see the pop-up, tap on allow. Then, if you see the next button, tap on it, and here we can enable and disable some features. For example, the notification access. This is useful if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. If you don't care, you can skip this by tapping on skip in the top right corner. If you want to enable it, tap on enable and allow the required permission. Then we have the Bluetooth calls, same stuff. So if you want to use your watch to start calls, decline calls and stuff like that, you will need to allow some permissions. If you don't care, you can skip it. I'm gonna enable it for the sake of the video, like this. Then we have the calling all contacts. Basically, you'll be able to pick the contacts from your watch to call on your phone. If you don't care, you can skip it. If you want to enable it, tap on enable and allow. Then we have the sending the SMS using the voice commands. You can enable it or keep it disabled. Same for the calendar sync and the weather location. And right here we can also add the Wi-Fi network to our watch. If you don't care, of course you can skip it. If you want to add it, tap on add network. Select the network from the list, enter the password for it. And then tap on connect, of course. Okay. Here we can tap on done, done, and you should see the device page. On it you should see your T-Rex 3 Pro, and the watch should be ready to use. And that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.